Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka i subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasịta maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasịta maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasịta maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Support this government. I think we have too much over joke. We have too much of a wasted time for us to be relocated back to our nation. So let all of us come together and put hands together, just the way the Deputy Prime Minister just said. Let's all of us come together and support.
That's right.
You know, because I'm tired. I'm so tired of hearing that the Western people are the one delaying our freedom. I'm tired of hearing that. It's all fake. It is us that is holding ourselves. It is us that is holding ourselves. Nobody is holding us. Yes, nobody is holding us, because among us, there are those that say they want Biafra, but behind, they are doing us Ogojobo. How did I say it? You know, they are doing us, evil things behind, but in front of us, they say they want Biafra. So please, those evil ones, come and join so that we can go home this year. And my question go like this, my Deputy PM. What do your government need? What do you need for us to relocate in Biafra land this year? What can we do? Is it by contribution? Is it by putting hand to your government to support you people? What can we do? So I rest my case. I don't want to take much time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And thank you.
Mazi Ifani. That's his name. Ifani.
Ifani. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, before I go to Ifani's question, what we need to do. Reverend Okoro, thank you so much for that wonderful speech. And I wanted to maybe seek your indulgence to help us as an old soldier to offer trainings to our men online whenever you have the time. It's going to be maybe that through Zoom or anything, but I think that could be the little way from you and to based on the experience to also ensure that our young soldiers get those trainings too. If it pleases.
Well, if you don't mind, let me say this. I was a boy soldier, and what that means is that even though I can
okay.
Basic training, yes, but
yeah.
The heavy duty one I may not be able to, but I can look for friends who can do that.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. God bless you. Do I have your number, or do you have my number?
DPM,
I'm gonna call your number now. Okay, DPM, you wanna call your number?
My number is really easy. One of the easiest number, 832-496-0000.
Wow, how did you get that special number?
Everybody asks that. They think it's a corporate number, and they keep getting fooled.
All right. Thank you so much, Honorable. 832-496-0000, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I am in Texas and I'm with Oster Okoro.
He's in Houston.
That's my rep
Texas.
here.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right. Either myself or somebody in defense or the information department will reach out to you later. Thank you so much for agreeing to be part of that training and also being able to.
Well, like basic training of how soldiers march and all of that, yes. But when it comes to armament, it might be a different thing, and we'll look.
Definitely.
Yes, okay.
When it comes to that angle, like we were saying in leadership, we don't expect us to do anything, but I mean, you may know, or we can know those that will come in and help us in different ways. And that's how we build a solid country that the world is going to be proud of. It's not just what I know, what you know, but us delivering what we know, but knowing the time to know that this I cannot do. That is something that we also need to start learning as Biafrans. To know your capabilities, to know what you can do and what you cannot do, to know your strengths and make sure you build on those your strengths. When you know your limits and what you can do, it will help us build a better country. Not you don't have any expert, just like Reverend Okorogo says, there is one I know I can do, but when it comes to the other one I cannot do, then we can bring somebody to help us. That is what we expect from all fellow Biafrans, to know your limits, to know what you can do and what you cannot do. Don't be a gadabachiruzo, guy rumba, guy zumba. You just stand in the middle of the road, blocking everyone. To do, you can do. To stop, you can stop. If you cannot, or you don't feel comfortable participating in the final push to restore Biafra, please just stay out and stay quiet. That is the expectation. Don't come and be a stumbling block or be a bottleneck for those that are pursuing this final phase of our struggle. And it is okay. Some people have said they will just stay out. When Biafra comes, they will go home. So for the spirit of that Biafra, just stay out and stay quiet. Don't stay out, and then from there you'll be running your mouth, lying to people, just cussing, being a nuisance to Biafrans. That is something that I think Biafran is not going to take. For the person that asked the question, Ifeanyi, what we need is money. We need money, and then we know, like I said, all the things we need is inside Biafra land and it's also inside Nigeria. So we need money to be able to procure those things that we need to enable us fight the reintegrated terrorists being brought in by Nigerian government to kill us Biafrans, who are mostly Christians and other indigenous Nigerians. We need that. We need to develop our land. I want to use this opportunity to again remind all the oil companies operating in Biafra land. We gave you notice as February the 2nd to start paying 50 million naira or AJ to the Biafran account. I believe all of you have gotten that bank account where you are expected to pay that money. This money, we are going to use it to develop our land from the spillage, from the squalor that some of you have turned our country is.
Yes.
By taking our mineral resources and moving it, shipping it out to countries abroad, where you have the best hospitals, the best schools and all that. And in our nation, in Biafra, we do not have access to even clean pipe-borne water. We need to develop those things in our land. So it's going to be like yours. We've given you that 60 days notice for February the 2nd. The expectation of this government is that you start paying those money by the expiration of that. We've done a 30 days reminder. If you didn't hear that, I'm reminding you again. The 30 days notice we gave to all the oil companies, foreign companies operating in Biafra land, to start paying the 50 million AJ every month. I'm hereby reminding you again. I'm also using this opportunity to remind the Nigerian state that have their reintegrated terrorists wearing Nigerian military and police uniform. We gave you 60 days to leave Biafra land. Biafra is a sovereign nation. We have our 40 governors. they've been recruiting people to work in different departments. They are ready to start work immediately, but you, the Nigerians, have been occupying the civil service offices, the government offices, and the government house. Again, I'm using this opportunity again to send you the final reminder to leave our country before the expiration of the 60 days. This is a peaceful way that we want you to do this, to leave our nation. The map of the United States of Biafra is out. If you are confused, like one of them called me, I sent the map of Biafra to them. Look into that map, ask questions. We have governors in each of those states. If you are confused where you fall in, call the governors in those states and ask them where that map of Biafra ends. Again, we are letting you know, and I'm doing a second reminder for the Nigerian state to leave all Biafra territory, because now we are a sovereign nation, and at this point, you are occupying a foreign land. Thank you so much. Dr. Agi, go ahead.
Thank you. And next is Humble Lion, the Humble Lion.
Hello, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
All right, okay. I greet you, everybody. My DPA, Ndewo, Ekele Onye Ọbụla, n'ọrụ nọ n'alụ. So I have two questions. Number one question is this. I hear from Old Enugu State. So I've been looking for how to contact my governor in Ezan State. No way. And I fall under Anike County administrator. How to contact them? No way. I've been trying. Even in this space, I have been trying, and I'm no way to contact them. So that is one of those things. So if it can be so difficult for me to contact them and for any contribution or the other things I need to do, I need to be throwing them up. No way. So I needed to know that again. And that thing again is the people of Ihamufu. I want to ask them. Ihamufu people that has this number of mammoth crowd of women that can be able to come out and protest like this. So is it only women that are there in that community, in that town, or community, how do I call them? Is it only women that are there? So are there no men there that the whole community with such number of population, they cannot be able to do anything for themselves? They're waiting for Biafra, and the Biafra they are waiting for, they are not doing anything. I have never heard any day that somebody from that, I know Hamufu must fall under Ohabenyi State. I have never seen anybody from that Ohabenyi State participating in anything in this government. Even it doesn't mean that Hamufu people, they don't have their sons and daughters that are living outside their in Old Enugu State. There, they don't have their sons and daughters that are living in abroad. They don't have sons and daughters living in Lagos and other places. All those things that is happening in their land. They're full hand doing nothing. They are waiting for Ngozi Arabeze to come and deliver them, and they are still working with Nigeria, crying to Nigeria. They believe Nigeria, they are crying to Nigeria. Why are they crying to why do they want and there are people, according to our secretary now, our defense secretary said that when the men came there, that we are sabotaging them. Okay, why are they crying? So my question is this: anybody that comes from that area that is that is hearing my voice now, let them go and start doing something in their town. They have men there. Let them start defending themselves. Let them start joining what we are doing here. What we are doing here, what the USB are doing, they should come around. That's my question. Where are they? Where are they? Let them come up.
All right. Thank you so much. Defense, do you want to answer that? I mean, that's a good point.
Yeah. So just briefly, well, you said it all. It's just that Ihamufu is a special case, and we love the people of Ihamufu. You know, that place holds a very important mineral resources that the Fulanese, that they're bent on taking over that area. And we're fighting. It's just that we need more equipment to be able to bring over that area. That's what we need. So we cannot just use just regular gun or something like that to defend people that have multiple items and fighting against us. That's why, that case, the governor is supporting them to take over the area. So we need some more support. Thank you very much. But we're keeping our eye on it, and we're reporting whatever is happening there. Our men are still, patrolling to at least note what is going on. We're doing that. Thank you very much.
He also wanted to know who is the governor of Ezani.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, if you can, we'll pass that information to our media.
Not our media, sir. For the homeland, the secretary for homeland.
Okay. Yeah. Exactly. Yes. So Secretary of Homeland, the Doctor, engineer, also.
Is he here?
Is he here?
Yeah, the Secretary of State. I think the person was asking who is the governor of Ezani State, right?
Yes.
So are you in any of the official platforms for Ezani? Are you in any of that?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in Telegram, but you cannot send message, but you can only receive message from that Ezani Telegram.
Why can't you send a message on Ezani Telegram?
I used to send. They don't respond to me.
Huh?
I used to send through. But they don't respond to me.
Dan Alia is the governor of Ezani State. So look for him in that platform. He's also in the WhatsApp. If you're in the WhatsApp, Dan Alia, and you can send him a private message.
No, I don't have. I even dropped my number in that Ezan for him to chat me privately. He did not.
Okay, do you have my number? Do you see me in that platform?
No, I didn't see you. This one is a media, Ezan media publicity, something I am inside.
Okay, do you want to take the number and call the information minister or send me a text?
Who is that? Is this the same Humble Lion?
Yes.
Okay, why don't please kindly talk to Mazugo. All right.
Is it the Humble Lion that is asking the question?
I'm asking, are you the Humble?
Okay. The Humble Lion TV is the different Humble Lion.
Yes, it's Humble Lion.
Is it Humble Lion TV?
No.
All right. Okay, just get my number down there, 404.
Okay.
933. 7466. That's plus. I don't know where you are. Always when I leave that.
From Homeland.
Okay,
so
plus.
just send message to that and she will give you the
plus 404.
933.
93374 66. Okay.
That's a plus one.
No. Okay. Is that the way they call from home? Okay.
Okay, plus one. Okay.
I will send you WhatsApp only, right? WhatsApp only, right?
WhatsApp only.
Yes, WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp is okay. Once WhatsApp is okay, I will send a message on WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
All
right. Next person is Mazi Chukwu Chinonso. Mazi Chukwu Chinonso. Mazi Chukwu Chinonso.
Okay. Are you yelling me, Biafrans?
Yes, sir. You have 1 minute, sir.
Okay. I want to thank every one of you. Starting from the DPM. I appreciate you. I'm very, very happy this night because this problem that has been rolling over the social media has been solved. I'm very, very happy. Because since morning, I'm not happy the way I'm seeing Janto, gallivanting all over the social media and speak, and most of our propagandists are busy, sharing their video. So I'm very, very happy this night. So I want to say something. I want to say, just, this thing is not that kind of relevant, but for me, it's very relevant. I want to say it because my mother has been telling me to say it, and I will have to spit it out. It is good that most of our people, as in, let me say, 50% of our Biafrans are Christians, and we are Biafrans and we are IGBO. There is a difference between IGBO and IGBO. Biafran is comprises of IGBO, which IGBO is among them. I feel like if things like this agitation, if you want to go for agitation, we have to consult the forces of our land, which is Biafra. This is one of the secrets about Nnamdi Kanu that most of our people don't know. And this is the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is defeating Nigerian government, because since I've been hearing about Biafra, I've never seen any agitator that give Nigerian government headache the way Nnamdi Kanu did. Even up to now, I got some news this evening that even all the lawyers are running. Because of what? Because
can you go straight to your question, please, sir?
So, okay, what I'm saying is that, first of all, as we are agitating for Biafra, we need to consult the forces of our land to come and intercede for us.
Okay,
that is
yeah, thank you, but let me quickly...
But I want to, please, don't be offended. My question is that I saw Adam Dimbunandega, they made a video about...
Yeah, can she finish?
Okay, go ahead.
About the homeland account, saying that that many people, the people that donate in that account are in danger. So since that time, I was like, so I want you guys to clarify some Biafra, because this thing will be, so many people will be sharing making donation with that account. That you say that most of the people that donate, that they are having some issue with Nigerian government through their numbers, and I don't know how authentic that information is.
Let me ask you, have you been donating to the government?
No, I'm not, because I just joined this X newly, because I never, the first day I joined is the day you made the comment and the post about the online account.
Okay, so you just joined. So
yeah.
Have you been fighting for your freedom? I mean, it started. You just mentioned nnamdi Kanu. Have you been following in the fight for the freedom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been listening to Radio BIAFRA before, and just a good listener. And we are just...
You've never made donation, right, towards that?
No, I never made donation.
Okay, now, but you're concerned about the bank they talked, right?
Yeah, because I want to partake in making donation.
Okay.
Especially with that homeland account.
Okay. So if you were here when we started, we already discussed that, and we said pay no attention to that. We cannot be afraid of the zoo government, and we cannot continue to lie, allow people that lie to be our friends.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Sine Utenunya Dio Kempa, but Starbuck Yemen Nigeria, and the enemy di chiche na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update, and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland. So Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niba Huko. Kifi wali kuba stamaka yabo iye chief of staff kugasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isikai tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono bastamaka yabi ife ngwa dado dine nke mesia no munne